I'm eating ice cream. Wait, that's Tulu and I will do it.
That's Tulu and I will do it. What did Where did we go? You go?
Not dog.
No.
In the hair cutter.
Hair cutter. Why? Why did we cut your hair?
Because it's long.
And then you said you're already happy.
Tula! Tula! Me too! I'll get the car do it now.
Bakit happy ikaw?
Because I'm doing cutting hair.
You stand up na lang. What's that? It's a
It's a juice.
It's a juice. What kind of juice? Yes.
It's a pineapple. It's a banana juice.
Yung totoo. Malakas loob na. Thank you. Ice cream mo. Ah. Kita ng ano? No, too fast. Hindi ka ng ketchup. Can you ask?
Don't do that.
Okay. Can I have ketchup and mayonnaise, please?
Maganda yung down now. Ako magustuhan niya.
Lugo! Here! What? Good job! Did you say thank you?
I did not.
Okay,
I
go back.
forget.
You say thank you. Nice! Okay. Here. You were so strong, huh? You were not afraid to ask.
Yeah.
You're like Turbo.
Yeah.
Turbo was so strong also, right? Just like you go. Oop. 16 babies.
No. I like chicken. I like chicken.
What?
It's not working.